Okay, this is how you add a ringtone to your LG Rumor Touch. You can connect your LG Rumor Touch to your computer however you want to with a USB cord or micro SD. One thing's important, you need to have a MP3 file first. Oh, and by the way, you can use either OS X or Windows, it doesn't matter. So I'm gonna get my music file from iTunes. And I have Ringtone right here. So I'm just gonna drag it into my desktop. Alright, so first I'm gonna change it to MP3. If you have it on or if you have any other file format apart from MP3, it doesn't work. So I'm gonna open up my device. I'm gonna DCIM 100 LG DCF, and then I'm gonna drag the file into this. It'll copy and we'll paste it on. Then I'm gonna press enter, and I'm gonna rename it as .3G2. And then this will come up, and it should be it. That's how it works. Now let's test it. I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna test it out and see if the ringtone came on. Check this. Hold on. Going to go to settings, ringers, then incoming calls, contacts. It'll be in my videos, then it's one of these, and then it worked. So I'm gonna stop this and click assign, and then it assigned it. And yeah, that's it.